Hi everybody, I'm here with lots of friends. Say hello.
Oh, I'm not in shot.
Yeah, hi. We're in D.C. and we spent an hour and we finally found parking. It's been a I have been killing driving though. I've been doing so good. Have I not, Emma?
Yeah, you're doing great.
I'm doing so good. So, oh, do we have a restroom?
I'm sure there's one.
This is a building. Where are we right now? It looks like we're half outside, but also inside. This is so cool. Anyway, this is like the longest intro I've ever done. But today we're in DC and we're doing a scavenger hunt. So Emma found this scavenger hunt. Why don't you explain that?
Hold on, let's get outside.
Okay, let's get outside.
Well, I want to know what you want to do. There's one that's supposed to be super easy. There's one that's supposed to be super hard, and there's one in the middle that's just about ghosts. So
Let's do super hard. Can we do super hard?
yeah, because it's all trivia, and since you know.
I'm good at trivia. I could basically be a DC tour guide pretty much. But yeah, so I got this new vlogging kit for Christmas, so I'm gonna use it. So we're just gonna walk around, figure out where we're going first, and I'll pick you guys back up whenever we get to wherever it is we are going. So are you excited to be in like this back corner of DC?
Yeah, you know, next to the bathrooms at the Walgreens.
Yeah, you know, get that premier DC content. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, this is the real DC experience.
It really
Everyone
is.
Here is trash.
So much fun with the real DC experience so far, finding parking. The only problem with this vlogging kit is the mic I'm using is a shotgun mic. So when I turn it around this way, you're gonna hear me a lot less, but you're gonna hear you really well.
Ew, that's what's important though.
Yes.
Is me.
Yeah, you are the star of the show.
Don't you know it?
Emma came all the way from yeah, Emma came all the way from Oklahoma to visit us. Isn't that great?
Just for your video.
Just for this video, right?
Of course.
The whole plane ride, you're just like.
Oh no. I need paper towels. I think you can go to the men's
There's some in there.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe you just went to the men's bathroom. that glare. You had so much trouble with that.
I didn't want to touch it. Look who's the employee of the month.
That's what we were talking about. Doesn't she look so excited to be employee of the month?
Yes.
Look how happy she is. And nobody has any birthdays at this Walgreens, apparently.
Like the side of sidewalk with a bunch of parking meters, just like, oh. One good deed for the year.
Wow. Starting off 2018 or 2019 positively.
Yeah, I haven't done that though because I'm poor. So one day though,
One of these days.
I got a job, so one day I'll have the money to do that.
We're sitting in this really nice Starbucks waiting for our friend Christy, who should be here.
Who's going to make fun of you relentlessly.
Oh
for
gosh,
vlogging.
she's gonna be making so much fun of me, but you know what? I don't care. I've gotten past the point of caring. I'm never gonna see anybody in DC anymore.
Jonah, when you get 100, I'm gonna make you a tiny little green
do it.
to you.
A bronze play button? Because 100,000 is a silver play button. So you should make like a little bronze play button.
100.
Did you see some craftsman? No, some craftsman made a diamond dislike button for YouTube Rewind and mailed it to YouTube with like a letter like
really
congratulations,
But the thing
like
though is that- you don't get
absolute
monetization.
mad lad. Christy! She's here. There's a lot of hugs going on. I should get over there, get on all that, but you know, there's the face I knew she was going to make. So the first stop on our scavenger hunt is the White House. So we just need to figure out where that is. Yeah, we got here and it took us forever to find parking, and then by the time we found parking, you're like, hey, I'm coming. I'm like, well, we don't have really time to, because by the time we got to the Smithsonian, we'd have to come back for you. So we're like, we'll just wait in the Starbucks for you. So we haven't started the scavenger hunt yet. So this is our first one, is the White House.
Well, it's only like 1:30, right?
Yeah, it's only, it's
We have
not.
plenty
We
of
only landed like an hour and a half ago, right?
Yep.
Oh yeah, Emma just got here. And I told her nobody could come. And I wanted to surprise her with Mason and Rachel.
Well, at first I thought you brought Sarah, and I was like, cool. And then I was like, Rachel, yay!
You were so much more excited for Rachel than my sister.
I'm gonna be honest, yes.
I mean,
I love your sister to death.
my
but
sister's great.
I love Rachel too.
Rachel's great too. It was so hot that day
It
we
was
came
the
to DC.
worst
It was-
ice cream I've ever
It was
eaten.
so hot, and I
I
was wearing
took 2
black
bites
skinny
and
jeans,
cried.
and that was a mistake. Oh yeah, you got peanut
was
butter and jelly
gross.
shaved ice.
I don't know why I did that.
Yeah, why? You didn't even try it first.
No,
You just went
I
full
was-
on like
'cause
I'm
you
getting
spent
this.
like 5 minutes trying stuff.
Yeah, cause I'm like
Sometimes you just
I need to
wanna, like,
make sure it's
step
good
off
before I get a
and
giant thing
Yeah,
of it.
I was like, I'm just gonna do it. It sounds good. It was gross.
Yeah, it didn't sound
I
good.
ate 2
It did
bites.
not sound good at
And
all.
it was a waste of like $4.
Oh
It was
yeah.
freaking
Are we going
overpriced.
the right way?
You said you knew where we were going.
No, I didn't. Oh, it's this way.
Last time we trusted Jonah to navigate us in DC. We
It is
almost
this
got
way.
construct.
It's 100% that way. Look how white it is.
It doesn't look actually that
It
way.
doesn't look like a house though.
I know this is for Buckingham Palace where the flags are up. It means they're home. Is that true with the White House?
I don't know.
You would know trivia.
Miss
If that's the
Security
trivia
person.
question,
Oh, watch that be the trivia.
Okay, ready?
Why you all the way over there? Why don't you come with the group? Okay, you're just gonna be that way? Okay, what's the trivia
Here
question?
on the northern facade of the White House, take the number of windows along the second floor and subtract the number of round columns. You get what number?
see them.
That's a lot of things to do.
Ain't nobody got time for that. The trees are covering
The
them.
windows on the second floor.
So is that floor or the floor above it?
Let's just okay. 1.
There's 3 floors.
4, 5, 6, 7,
fun.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
There's 6 columns.
Is this gonna mess with your audio?
I don't know.
I just wanna. It's like a pop song.
You got it right.
You did?
It was 6.
Hey,
Woo!
what's
I just
the-
wanna
what's the next
squeeze
thing?
it.
It's like a kitty cat.
Oh no, it was 7. Wait, I'm confused. I put 6. Anyway, lucky number 7. Keep that in your back pocket as we take this political show on the road. With the White House on your left shoulder, head west along Pennsylvania Avenue, and you'll find the White House's imposing next-door neighbor, the Executive Office Building.
Could you?
Why do we have to go there?
So we gotta go this way.
Even the name is boring.
We can always just guess and then go on to the next one if you want.
It's up to Jonah. He's the one holding a documenting device.
44.
No, that's not one of the answers.
45.
18 to 20, 24 to 26, 15 to 17, 21 to
The biggest one. 24, 26.
Nope. Nope. Yeah!
Hey, you got it! So it has been raining literally for 2 weeks. So it is a huge blessing that it is nice outside and it's not pouring down rain. Because that's been the weather in Virginia for the past 2 weeks. It's quite breezy, if you couldn't tell by Christy's luscious flowing locks in the breeze there. When you're too out of shape to whip your hair.
What? My neck. I have a lot of hair, Jonah.
You do have a lot of hair.
I do.
You could do a bob. Yeah.
Yeah, you
Ooh.
have super cute
I
short
don't
hair.
know.
Yeah, like
You've had the same haircut since I met you. Do
I know,
something
it's
crazy,
true.
man.
you can get like that Anna Sophia Robb from Bridge Terabithia haircut, you know?
I feel like I need to shave half my head and just go full on.
She's
Although the
go
military
go
won't let
full
me.
Britney Spears.
I can't. You know, I'm not allowed to shave my head in
Are
the
we actually
military
walking
because
to the
I'm a
National
female.
Gallery of Art?
That's sexist.
It is.
That secret gate over there. Is it creepy that should I not be filming the Secret Service changing the guard?
Yes.
I shouldn't?
No.
Okay.
Suddenly you just get tackled out of nowhere.
So Christy was
all
just
of our
telling us some very interesting
You're welcome.
trivia about the executive offices. What happened there?
That's where Hoover first passed the bill to, oh my gosh, there's another one? Anyway, to eradicate kittens. And that was the time that he was replaced by an alien.
Is that why you built the Hoover Dam, to power the alien spaceship?
Yes.
Okay, wow, I didn't know that.
All of the presidents from like that point onward have been aliens.
That's
like
why Donald Trump is
lizard
so
people.
orange.
Yeah.
It all makes sense now. 1642.
I'm not.
What?
I don't
Like,
have a
that's
map
when
up.
the
I was just
aliens
walking.
came.
That's when the aliens came. 16.
Are you
They
walking
came
in a
over
specific
on
place?
the
Because I'm not.
USN. What?
I didn't feel like walking to the National Gallery, so I
Is that
just.
it, maybe? Dedicated to art?
That's dedicated to art.
Yes, I found it!
Yay! What do we have to do here?
We have to take pictures of the
inside.
sleeping lions.
Oh wait, I don't know. Hold on, wait.
I don't know if we're allowed to get up there. Actually, I'm
Corcoran.
sure we can.
It says Corcoran on it.
Guys, we should take a selfie.
We should.
Jaywalk.
Run. Mason, you're too casual.
I am. Well, I was late, so I'm not gonna catch up. It's not the.
Christy, that. Okay.
We shall, man.
That feels highly illegal.
Really?
Wait, gotta get a picture. Go back.
What are we doing here?
This was our next stop.
Oh, really?
Beautiful, darling. So what's the trivia?
Oh, that one's a bit.
Oh yes! Wait, I need to take a selfie with this one.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Stunning.
And there he mounts the noble steed. Stop! I'm not doing that! You're a child. Get off.
Don't film the ground. You can't just film the ground like that. Nope. What are we doing? Are we doing something exciting? What
You have
exciting
90
thing are we
seconds. 90 seconds to answer the question. The faster you answer the question, the more points you will get.
Okay.
Good luck.
Okay.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
doing? What's the question?
On the school's roof line, you'll find the names of famous artists from past eras who did not make the cut.
Rubens.
Okay.
De Vere, Michelangelo, Raphael, Vermeer, Rembrandt, something.
Just read all of them.
What are the options?
Rubens, Rembrandt, Michelangelo, and Seurat.
All the last three. It's the first one.
I was right. It's Rubens.
No.
Oh.
Okay, then
It
it's.
was Seurat.
Okay, I was about to say then it's not Rubens, it's Seurat.
Awkward.
Sorry, Seurat. We'd stay and pay homage, but those lions are starting to look hungry.
Especially that one. Look at that one.
What memorial is it taking us to?
Gertrude Vanderbilt Whitney, in honor of the daughters of the American Revolution founders.
That's fun. Let's go there. I haven't been there. We should also go to the MLK Memorial, even though it's probably pretty terrible. Because everyone said it's white. It's like, why is MLK white?
Because it's made out of marble.
It's stupid. Yeah, it's made of marble.
They should have made it black.
They whitewashed MLK. Well, his name
Literally.
does sound like milk.
It's
and you
also
have
just like,
MLK.
not true. That's actually, I live off of MLK near FAMU. And
Make it right
people,
on
they
C
have everyone
Street.
Where is C Street?
Let's look at the map.
So don't turn away when I come over here with the
Oh.
camera. How are you feeling?
Oh, I don't know. I don't care.
Awesome. I'm getting quality content out of these people, aren't I?
Yeah, well, you're monetizing people's lives.
I'm like the guy from Haunting of Hill
There's
House.
E Street and there's E Street, but I don't see C Street.
Well, if there's a D and an E, then that has to be a C. That's how it works. Could you
He
you
gets
not,
annoyed when Mason
like-
does it for
I
2
know.
seconds, and I've been doing it for like 30.
Well, like that's because I'm already done
'cause
with all
I'm
Mason.
generally,
I'm
like-
already done with Mason, like, and his like ongoing quest to ruin my vlogs
I'm just
by
more
being
obnoxious.
snarky.
Yeah.
Tell them where we're eating.
I'm not the one vlogging.
Next time we come out, remind me. Have my headphones.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, that's why I joined your channel, though. It's the ultimate goal.
And I need
You're slowly
you
taking
now
over.
tonight.
I found E Street.
And I need you more than ever. You're so annoying.
Oh my god. Wow, Emma has just left.
Totally clipped.
Emma has left the building. Oh shoot, we gotta make it. We gotta make the crosswalk. It's 10 seconds. We found it. Well, is it a Revolutionary War though?
No, this is of the Civil War. Can we go in? It's open.
It's open. Are we going in?
Yes, we're going in.
Emma, do you like the Rocky run up the stairs?
I've never seen Rocky.
You haven't seen Rocky?
No, don't get on my
Da-da-da. 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 Da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. Now put your hands up and like spin around like you're successful. Yeah. Adrian.
You didn't even say that. He says that
No, he says it in
at
some
the
Blink
end.
movies.
At the end.
Anticlimactic. Like.
Push yourself. Push harder. Push harder.
It's my butt so bad. My friends have left me. I don't know where they went. Hello? Hello? People? Friends? Are you friend? 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 Wait. Emma, Emma's very far ahead of us right now. She is up there. She is on a mission. She is not. Whoa, okay.
Mason, look out, a pebble!
You didn't expect there to be an actual pebble?
Oh, there's
H1L1 sounds like a disease.
That's because H1N1 is a disease.
Yeah, H1N1 is the flu.
Go anywhere?
Okay.
Please don't stand there.
Please don't snuggle against her bosom,
I feel like that.
Wait.
Look, peppermint bark.
Don't.
I found peppermint bark.
Don't.
I have not.
Both of you can get on it.
I got
Oh, wait. Here, you go first, and then I'll snuggle against your bosom.
It's a bosom train.
Wait, and then Rachel, come against mine.
The amount of disappointment on Mason. I'm gonna put that on your gravestone. Oh, you want me? I can take a picture. That's sexual assault. Okay, ready?
Fine.
1, 2, 3.
Wait, we need a bosom snuggling photo.
I was snuggling her bosom.
You were right up against her bosom. You guys are great photo people. I am not photogenic.
I'm not either.
That's gonna be the thumbnail. Okay, what's the question?
Okay, here we go. Daughters of the American Revolution, DARE, is a lineage-based organization for women who descend from those involved with America's fight for independence. So, of course, the great grannies of George Washington made
George Washington.
pineapple.
Okay. I'm finding so many food lying around this plaza.
So many food.
You'll find Simon Bolivar up on his high horse.
Get off that high horse, Simon.
Ooh. Oh wait.
Wait, 18th Street, is that this way?
What?
Your fingerprints are on it now.
Oh,
What is
Your
this?
fingerprints are on it now.
get inside. I'm just kidding.
Do you want a magnet?
This looks vaguely sexual and I'm scared.
I'm kind of
Ow.
You know, it's just there's
That's on
so.
my toe.
This is art.
Look at that. Look at that art. I have no idea if it's in frame because
Sticks and stones may
break my bones.
I actually kind of want to keep this.
We should put it on my car.
I love
On
it.
my dad's car, just not put it on my dad's car and just not
won't
tell
even
him that we put it.
notice.
You see how long it takes for him to be like, Jonah, why is there like a weird red man on the back of my car?
Holding a whip.
I think it's a hockey stick.
No, it's a whip.
Bent.
Okay. Maybe it's just a garden hose that's going.
Architect or agriculture?
There's the high horse. I found the high horse.
What's the significance of one hoof?
That was injured in war.
Injured in war?
Yeah,
Oh, it's
2 hooves is died in war.
cool.
Yep. Are we crossing now? We're crossing now.
We have 120 seconds to answer this question. Ready?
Wait, should we go up to
Simon Bolivar helped liberate a number of countries, including which of the following? Oh, shoot.
Republic of Venezuela.
How do you know?
It says there on the side, Republic of Venezuela.
No?
What are the other options?
Panama, Cuba, or
Okay.
Hold on. I'm running. I'm going. I'll find it out. I'm going as fast as I can. It just said, okay, Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, Bolivia, and Panama. We got it?
Yeah.
Nice. I ran really fast.
I
Dude.
can't dance.
That is just walking in tandem. That is just tandem walking.
Hey y'all, fun fact.
What?
This guy is to South America as George Washington is to North America.
Hey, awesome.
What are the hockey sticks logo for?
I don't know.
Looks like a young one.
Looks like a Tory,
I
but
know.
like missing something.
Yeah, there's
Missing the middle
be
one.
a middle one.
Dance, Emma, dance! Work it, girl. Designers, make it work. Baby, work it, move that crazy. So where are we going to next?
It's empty.
It is empty. Where are we
Yeah.
going?
Come. Let's
Okay,
go.
we're going down 18th Street,
Which is here.
and then for 2 blocks, and then make a right on Constitutional Avenue.
Okay, 18th Street is this way.
Well, I think
No, this is 18th Street.
Constitution Avenue.
So that's this way. Constitution Avenue is like the main mall road.
That is Italian.
Oh, that like we moved that whole building from Italy.
Yeah.
How did you know that?
I I just know everything there is to know about DC.
Awesome. Do you know who Roberto Horcaya is? Are we looking at ducks?
We should go look at ducks.
Let's go look at the ducks.
Yes. Cross.
We can cross this way.
Jonah, no. They're not ducks. They're geese.
No! How could you do this, God?
The snake.
Darn you, Darwin!
Ah. They're evil.
They hiss at
Geese
you and they chase you.
suck.
They're snake
I'm gonna be the
birds.
first to say it.
You're not the
Geese
first to say it.
are the pigeons of waterfowl.
No, they're not pigeons. Pigeons are
No,
harmless.
geese are the pigeons of waterfowl. They just poop everywhere and they're annoying and nobody likes them.
Geese are mean. They will bite you and hiss at you. And
When I was
Canadian
little,
geese are like the
size of
French
a goose,
Canadians.
One
These geese
chased
will
me
eat you.
as
These
a
geese
small
will
child.
eat you. These
I heard
geese.
this behind me and I was like, what is this? And I turned on and bam! There was a goose the
just-
size of me.
Goose!
Looked at me in the eye.
Oof.
I ran for
It
my
was
life,
giving you the.
Jonah.
It was giving you the death
the
glare.
goose chased me. The goose chased me.
Dang.
I
That sounds like a
outran the
very
goose.
traumatic experience for you.
Yes,
If geese is the plural of goose.
And I ran to my mom. I'm like, it was a
Geese,
goose,
the
and they
plural
started
of goose.
laughing at me.
Yes, Emma, that is
They
entirely
laughed at
correct.
me, not understanding
They
the trauma
scoffed.
that I had just
They
endured.
scoffed at my pain.
It's okay.
We are a very loud group of people.
I'm fine. It's okay.
Are you okay, Christy? Are you sure you're okay?
I'm okay.
Are you?
I'm fine.
Do you need like a hug?
I'm fine.
Maybe some therapy? Okay.
I'm fine. Don't take me back to therapy.
I can't go back there. Not again.
We can go to the Federal Reserve Building. I think this is. Oh, we can cross
Oh,
here.
Federal Reserve Building is like that way, right? Are we gonna go geese gazing? Go gander at some ganders.
Stop. No. You're allowed one pun per video.
One pun per
You
video?
just used it.
Did I just use up my last pun?
Yep.
Is this my punishment?
I'm gonna hit you.
You gave me that. You gave me that murder stare. Hey, got
We
any
should have brought
grapes?
your.
Bro.
We should have brought the donuts to feed them.
We should have, but that would have been a waste of those donuts.
And
I spent a full
donuts.
$0 on those duck donuts.
They're duck donuts. It's what they deserve.
it wouldn't be good for them though. The seagulls though, that'd be fine.
Screw that.
Look wistfully off into the middle distance.
Where's
Oh,
the middle
snap.
distance?
Oh, wait, no.
Here, look longingly off into the middle distance.
Wait, no, look that way, Emma.
Where? This way?
No, like this way. Look kind of, see those people riding the scooters? Look that way.
Yes.
Wistfully.
More wistful.
Oh, I see what you mean.
More longing.
That was, I don't know what that was, but that was not longing.
Yeah, that's what I'm
When will the war end?
Jonah, we can only give you so many Facebook profiles.
Oh no, I don't think I caught you. I was falling. I think you should just jump in and let the winds of time.
I'm gonna get away from the edge now. So if you guys didn't see that, this brick right here is loose. And I stepped on it and almost fell. Did you find a price tag?
China.
How much is this park worth? 20, hold on, let me get into focus. Boy,
It's from Macy's.
it's from Macy's. What did they buy? It says, hold on, mate, $26.50. GLD Pav,
Gold.
Pav Tiger Stretch Tower, made in China. Do you know what that means?
No.
Did you understand any of that?
I know what towers are.
Yeah,
And
tilted.
gold. Oh yeah.
I already said this, but I'm gonna say it again. It is very nice outside for the 1st of January. Like, I just dated this video, but that's okay. But like, it has been rainy and cold in Northern Virginia for about 3 weeks now. And it's nice outside today. Mason was trying to tell me something. I could fish? No, I can't.
It says fishing. Like, yeah, it's catch and release.
Huh. If only I could fish.
You can't fish?
Dude, should I just run that flock of seagulls?
No, don't.
Hey, look, it's popular 80s hair band, Flock of Seagulls. Was that a good reference?
Terrible.
Oh my gosh.
I don't think they're a hair band.
Are they?
No, I don't think so.
What did they make?
They made, I always get them confused with the police.
Emma, what song did Flock of Seagulls make?
What?
You know Flock of Seagulls, the band?
Yeah.
What song was theirs? There's a plane flying and it's really loud.
I ran.
And I ran so far. Okay, yeah. I should have known that from La La Land because that's my second favorite movie of all time.
They played that in La La Land?
Well, yeah, because Mia runs into Sebastian in like an 80s cover band and she was mad at him for running away and ditching her. So she made them play I Ran. Like, it was cute. Seagulls, love me. I am friend. I am friend. No. They don't love me. I know. Tell it to the birds.
I learned some things in my days in Oklahoma. I know how to two-step, not really. I hear that all the time. I don't know what it is. But at this point, I'm too scared to ask. I'm too scared to...
Dear Lord, I didn't get that.
You can't do that to me.
Completely missed it.
You can't just like jump like that.
Replicate it and act like it was the first time you did that.
What are you doing?
You'll see.
Jonas goes up in the water.
Okay, ready? Look at the ducks.
All of the people that have died
Look
unnecessarily.
You ruined it, Emma.
Is that what you're gonna do?
Yeah, we were recreating the vine.
I love it.
And you ruined it.
No, it's good. I love that.
You knew exactly what we were doing, didn't you?
I love that vibe.
Just joking.
I did like this really majestic skip down the lane. I turn out and she's filming like she's filming a tree in the opposite direction. I'm just like, well, that's okay.
Part of it.
You got part of it.
Then I felt like being annoying.
It's my friend's goal to ruin all my vlogs. Isn't it E equals MC squared?
Nope.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
one of
the
them is,
Einstein's
yeah.
theory of relativity is on the thing.
Okay. It's all wet. This is comfortable.
Here, do you want me to take pictures?
It's wet.
Smile, Emma. Mason, get in there
Hold
too.
on.
You're not in any pictures.
I'm trying to think where though.
wanna be here.
There's not a lot of spots. I'm gonna go under his leg.
I just want to look at him, you know?
Emma, didn't you just yell at me for doing that exact same thing like an hour ago?
I'm tickling his chin.
Just gaze up into his beautiful stare.
Those piercing eyes.
Beautiful, beautiful man. Look at that mustache. I'm dying, guys. I do want water.
Dying in LA.
There's a thing there.
When you're dying in LA. When you're dying in LA.
I'm seeing him this month.
Who?
You are?
Yeah, at UVA. I'm going with my friend Kayla.
That's
Because she goes to UVA, so
awesome.
she gets cheap tickets.
That's great.
I'm hella
UVA
excited.
gets such cheap tickets. So does VCU. They got free Lion King tickets. It's messed up.
That's not right.
For celebrating America's national pastime. How
Baseball.
many people are depicted in
11.
Where's the baseball
It's
statue?
over there.
It's over there.
With all this Wit and Focus winners, we think you're ready to tackle university. Continue up 21st Street, and once you pass G Street, keep your eye out on the left side. George Washington University's Professor's Gate.
It's this way.
I think it's up.
Oh no, wait, 21st Street is this street. I'm starting to get very tired.
Why don't we just walk to the car?
I think we're going in that direction.
Are we?
Yeah, kind of.
Going back up.
Okay, great.
You sit down, yeah. You like the cool blue light, like the cool blue.
So Rachel, where are we
I
going?
thought it was dead.
It's the
I was like, oh,
Starbucks.
okay.
It's like the first signing Starbucks, so it's for the deaf community. And it's all of the all of the workers are signed, and they have either hearing impaired or deaf. Oh, it's a hippo.
Oh.
Knocked down to build looming office buildings. The church supports whatever communities left in the Foggy Bottom neighborhood with a local food pantry.
Foggy Bottom. What is that?
Oh, did it open?
I thought you were a person coming out of there scared.
That's just a door, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just a gate that leads just a door. Is that the catacombs?
I don't know.
Why doesn't DC should have
It's a
catacombs?
Methodist church. There's no catacomb.
Well, we have to like
That was great,
thousands of
Mason.
people at one time, you know, do a
What are we looking for?
The car?
The tower is an octagon, and you're in great shape with this one more landmark to go. They said this was the last one.
Well, we're going in the direction of the car. This is G Street.
Walk along.
Well, I mean, this way is the direction of the car, so like we might as well just do this last landmark
Make
as
a
a way.
left when you reach 17th Street and a right on Pennsylvania Avenue.
No, that's Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania is where the car's parked, so.
Okay.
On your left is the American Louvre.
The American Louvre?
The
There's an American Louvre.
Yeah.
I don't want to go
The
there.
Renwick Gallery.
I wasn't recording that whole time, but basically, we just need to figure out what the statue's doing.
Didn't like it.
Did we find out what the statue is doing?
He's folding his arms, but I don't see him.
Awesome.
Rubens is crossed as he formally held the scavenger hunt lead. Then his team, winners of Washington Portions, came and claimed victory. Great job today.
Did we
I
win?
haven't been to that many cities over there, honestly.
We won.
We win! Does that mean we can go to dinner now?
Yes.
Yes.
Dinner time! So right here is a great shot of the White House. And over there is the sad result of an American education.
Only signs that aren't in English.
Ignore the incoherent yelling.
Didn't participate in a political march.
I smell weed. Somebody has weed.
Well, that was your fake for a minute.
No, somebody definitely has weed somewhere. I don't know who, but someone does. You
This is just happening.
having fun.
I'm so tired.
Okay, Rachel.
Giddy up, horsey.
I think you were shorter than me at the time.
I grew up.
So now that we're all exhausted from all that walking around, we are going to go get dinner at this really great Chinese place in Chinatown.
It's a tradition.
It is a tradition. We came here, we found it last time we were in DC, and we're like, we have to go back here.
Because we kind of found it by accident. My
We
parents,
did.
Like had one they liked, but I couldn't find it. We found it
Yeah,
instead.
but this place was delicious. Like, we walked in and it was all like elderly Chinese people, which is how you know the food's like authentic and good. And we have to run to make this crosswalk. Ugh. But yes, we're gonna eat there. It's called New Big Wong, which is a great name. So if you can't tell by the giant dragon arch behind me, we have officially made it to Chinatown, and the restaurant we're going to is right up ahead on the right. I am very tired and very hungry. I'm gonna eat a lot of kimchi. Please be open. It is! It's open! So what are you gonna get?
Oh, me? I know I'm getting the egg drop soup. At least that.
Should we get kimchi to share? I probably want that much of it.
I'm getting kimchi.
Okay,
And
can
want
I have
all
a bite of yours?
Yes, you can have a bite of mine.
Great.
What are you gonna get, Emma?
I have no idea. Everything looks so good.
This is like my favorite restaurant in DC. I'm very
I'm
happy.
like cold yet sweaty at the same time.
You don't like McDonald's?
I feel that. I do like McDonald's. McDonald's is my favorite restaurant in Japan.
Oh. I still like Family Mart.
Oh, Family Mart is like
They have a Family
my
Mart
favorite.
in Gainesville. Have you been? No. I told you this a year ago. They have, me and my sister used to walk down there and get boba tea like all the time.
I tried boba for the first time.
It's run by a Japanese family. It's
almost threw up.
between Kingsbrook and that neighborhood next to it.
Sugoi.
Huh?
Sugoi. Hey, at least I can actually speak it.
I feel like that's like a non-answer.
Okay. But anyway, what I was gonna say was me and Mason ate at McDonald's a lot in Japan because we were too scared to go in any of the restaurants because we couldn't read the menu. It was fun.
The tea's gonna be here.
Sliced pork and bean curd with watercress soup. Oh, that's for two. For two?
This tea.
Why is it?
This tea is like my favorite thing in the world.
Their for two is like cheaper than their like entrees.
What? I don't know what cheers is in Chinese. I know cheers in Japanese is kampai, but I don't know what it is in Chinese. So, insert Chinese
Like,
cheers.
The soup's like pretty cheap, but it's for two. But it's cheaper than an appetizer. So I wonder if it's like an appetizer that you're supposed to
I
try.
am in food
But I
heaven.
might
How's your soup?
One of our dining halls, and all these chefs get big
You
yummy
can kind of tell.
kids went
No,
and fried up
it is
burgers
empty.
in the
These
dining hall
these
and
wontons are
Yeah, it's
everything I ever wanted in life.
when I bring my siblings and
This is it. This is what I've been waiting for.
Oh, he's like,
I'm very happy with this. My kimchi's almost gone. Sure, Mason, you could take a piece.
hello.
Smile, guys.
I've forgotten how. I'm so tired.
We just got back from our dinner, and how was it, guys?
It's delicious.
It was so good,
Time to go to bed.
but we are all very tired, so we're heading home now. It is
It's
nighttime.
only 5:30.
I don't like that at all. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. You know what to do. It's YouTube. It hasn't changed too drastically. So yeah, hit all the subscribe, hit the like, and comment whatever you want to. And if you're Emma, comment this gay.
You're gay.
Yep, sure. Bye.
Bye.